and girls and all the प्यारे amazing छोटे से हमारे बच्चे. So this is your host and host Jody, the super driver here from Hamleys. और यहाँ पर मैं आप लोगों के लिए लाया हूँ एक बहुत ही amazing सा remote control car racing challenge. Yes, you heard it absolutely right, and this is not your very ordinary car racing game, okay? Because we have this very rough and tough track that you need to cross with all the skills and precision that you have. So if you have it, then quickly go to the registration desk, register with us and stand a chance to win a fabulous hamper from Hamleys. This is Sunday 4 o'clock at Infiniti Malad, where we are inviting all the speed enthusiasts over here. So, आपको क्या लगता है कि मुंबई की बारिश और मुंबई के ट्रैफिक में आपके अंदर की स्पीड थोड़ी सी कम हो गई है? So Hamleys is giving you that chance to unleash the driver within you and drive fast, drive smart here with Hamleys and stand a chance to win some fabulous hampers. And this is absolutely free, move. Yes, you heard it absolutely right. So now with this, we are going to begin this once again. So let's see who's going to be our first racer over here. So if you think you have it, then quickly come here, register here, and this is for all age groups, for kids, adults, भैया भाभी बड़े छोटे मम्मी पापा सबके लिए है यहाँ पे. So quickly go there, register with us and be that racer. We have fast cars and we are looking for some fabulous racers.